Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install MyKey Premium Remote Start on a 2014 Kia Sorento. It is also suitable for 2015 model. So this product only works with push button start system. So if you don't have a push button start system in your car, then this product is not for you. Also, if you didn't order this product yet, you could order it on mykeypremium.com. I'll drop the link down below for you. So the main difference between our remote start and any other brands is that this remote start is 100% plug and play, and it works with the original key fob. You don't have to have anything extra. Now, let me show you how to install it. So in this package, you're gonna get a module and set of wires. This is a T-harness. Basically, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna disconnect a module from your car, disconnect two connectors, plug them into here, and plug these two connectors into your car's module. And these two connectors will go into your MyKey Premium module. And then for this specifically model, make sure your dip switch is set up like this. 1, 2, 3 are down, 4 is up, and on the black side, all 4 of them are up. So for this installation, you're going to need a 10mm wrench, a screwdriver, a ratchet, 10mm socket, and an extensioner. So the installation is going to be taking place right behind this glove box. To disconnect the glove box, all you have to do is they have 2 pins on the side, on each side. Twist it, pull it out, twist it, and pull it out. And you're gonna have one over here and one over here. These 2 pins, all you have to do is just also pull it out. Just like that. Put the glove box away. And now we're gonna take out this panel. And for this panel, we're going to need a screwdriver. 1 screw over here and 1 screw over there. Now just pull the panel out. So now we're going to unscrew 3 bolts. 1 over here, 1 right up here, and the other one's right in the middle, all the way inside. This one over here. Yeah. That's one. So now we're going to disattach this black wire by squeezing little pins from the back and pull it out. Just like that. Squeeze it and then pull the wire out. Now we're going to do the same thing on the top. Same exact procedure. Squeeze the little pins from the back and pull the wire out. Just like that. And now we're going to bring the whole module down, so we have the access to the connectors that we need to disconnect from the module. You're gonna disconnect this connector and this one over here. This is the biggest one. Press the pin and pull it out. Just wiggle it around. Don't pull it too hard. It should come right out, just like that. And the small one, the one in the middle. Same thing, press the pin, wiggle it around and pull it out, just like that. Now we're going to connect them into my key harness. Like the big one with the big one, just like this. And now with the smaller one. Just like that, make sure it clicks. And now we're going to connect these connectors back into your car's module. Make sure it's all the way in. And the smallest one, just like that. Now we're gonna connect MyKey Premium module. And before you do that, make sure this little blue pin is disconnected. And very important, make sure you disconnect this small red connector, just like so. Now let's connect the data first. Make sure it's all the way in, and then the power cable goes last. And before you put everything back in, make sure you test it first. And before you put everything back in, make sure you test it first. Once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And the car will stay running for 15 minutes. And here you go, the car started. Once you start the car is still running and it's in sleeping mode. All you have to do is press the brake, put in gear, and you're good to go. You're also gonna get these cool features: automatic door lock and unlock. When you approach the car will automatically unlock itself, and when you leave the car will lock itself. Now let me show you. The car unlocked itself. Now once I leave, the car will lock itself. And here you go, the car lock itself. To activate or deactivate these additional functions, which is the same procedure, all you have to do is press the brake, hold it, lock the doors, and press the lock button on your key fob with one small interval. Just like that, double click. And you're gonna hear either one click in respond or two clicks in respond from the car. One click means your function is deactivated, and two clicks means your function is activated. Now enjoy your new features, and thanks for watching.